Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best soft tops for Jeep Wranglers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the GXYWDAY replacement soft top, designed for the 2010-2017 Jeep Wrangler JK two-door models. This soft top is built with black diamond fabric and includes tinted rear and side windows for extra privacy and style. While it has a sleek design and comes with heavy-duty, self-correcting zippers for smooth operation, it's important to note that you'll need your original factory framework to install this product. In terms of design and build quality, the GXYWDAY soft top is lightweight, and its materials are reasonably durable for everyday use. However, at 17.64 pounds, it feels a bit on the lighter side compared to some competitors, which could mean it's less rugged in extreme weather conditions. The zippers work smoothly, and the windows are easy to zip in and out for ventilation, which adds convenience. That said, the lack of premium construction materials like sailcloth vinyl might limit its long-term durability. The GXYWDAY is ideal for budget-conscious users who want a replacement soft top without breaking the bank. However, its 3.8-star customer rating reflects some mixed reviews, with common complaints about fitment issues and long-term reliability. Overall, it's a decent option for city driving or casual use, but it may not hold up as well under harsh weather or rugged off-road conditions. Pros include affordability and easy installation, while cons are its dependency on the OEM framework and less robust material quality. Moving on to rank number 4, we have the bestop Ascent soft top for 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK four-door models. This soft top features a flip-back Sunrider panel that allows front-row passengers to enjoy an open-air experience. The lightweight black diamond material gives it a classic look, and the removable windows make it easy to switch to a bikini-style top for those breezy summer drives. The design and build quality are solid, with a focus on lightweight materials for easy handling. However, one drawback is that it's not water-resistant, which could be a deal-breaker for those in rainy or snowy climates. It weighs in at 58 pounds, making it heavier than some competitors, but that's mostly due to its full-coverage design. The bestop Ascent also comes with a 1-year warranty, which adds peace of mind for buyers worried about durability. This soft top is best for seasonal top swappers or weekend adventurers who want a flexible and lightweight option. While its classic black diamond look is appealing, the lack of water resistance and its higher price point might deter more practical buyers. Pros include the Sunrider feature and ease of window removal, while cons are its water resistance limitations and heavier design. At rank number 3, we have the Kojim replacement soft top, which is compatible with 1997 to 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJ two-door models. This soft top is made of high-quality sailcloth vinyl, a material known for its durability and weather resistance. It features heat-sealed seams to prevent leaks and provides solid protection against UV rays, rain, and snow. Additionally, the removable side and rear windows offer great ventilation options. The design and paint quality of the Kojim soft top are impressive for its price range. The sailcloth vinyl feels robust, and the clear plastic windows provide excellent visibility. Another standout feature is the self-correcting zippers, which ensure smooth operation and reduce the risk of jams. Weighing just over 21 pounds, it's relatively lightweight and comes with upper door skins for added convenience. This soft top is ideal for drivers seeking a cost-effective yet durable option for year-round use. It's versatile enough for different weather conditions and provides some sound insulation as well. However, professional installation is recommended, which could add to the initial cost. Pros include its weather resistance and premium materials, while cons are the lack of included framework and the need for professional installation for best results. Coming in at rank number 2, we have the Sierra Off-Road Soft Top, a premium replacement for 1997 to 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJ models. This product is made from heavy-duty marine-grade denim vinyl, a material that's highly durable and resistant to wear and tear. The soft top features heat-sealed seams to prevent leaks and tinted rear windows for added privacy. The build quality is exceptional, with a focus on precision and durability. The self-correcting YKK zippers make it easy to remove or secure the windows, and the frameless design gives it a more modern and streamlined look. At 16.61 pounds, it's one of the lighter options on this list, making it easy to install and manage. Plus, it comes with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty, which is a testament to its quality. The Sierra Off-Road Soft Top is perfect for those who want a factory precision replacement that doesn't skimp on durability. It's a great all-weather option, though it doesn't include upper door skins, which might be a drawback for some users. Pros include its premium materials, excellent fit, and long warranty, while cons are the lack of door skins and a slightly higher price point. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the bestop trektop soft top for 2018/current Jeep Wrangler JL 2-door models. This hybrid top combines zipper and zipperless technology, making it incredibly easy to remove and secure the window panels. The Sunrider feature allows you to quickly open the top to let in the sunshine, and the fastback design gives it a sporty and aggressive look. The build quality of the trektop is outstanding. The black diamond material feels durable yet lightweight, and the included hardware eliminates the need for drilling during installation. Weighing 57 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some competitors, but that's due to its comprehensive design and included hardware. The trektop also converts into a bikini top for a versatile, open-air experience. This soft top is ideal for Jeep enthusiasts who want a high-quality, versatile solution that's easy to install and use. While it's on the higher end of the price spectrum, the premium features and durability make it worth the investment. Pros include the Sunrider feature, ease of use, and sporty design, while the only real con is its higher weight compared to simpler models. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.